Hi, welcome to DappBlocks. In this video, we will discuss about Ethereum Merge and what you need to know about this crypto mega event. Let's get started. Ethereum Merge is migration from its current proof of work system to the proof of stake system. After proof of stake, it will eliminate energy intensive mining and secure the network using staked ETH. There will be validators to validate a transaction and add the transaction into the blockchain, and no more miners. To understand this, let's consider an example of a car. Currently, a car is running on a fuel engine. The company has built a new electric engine, and after significant testing, it's time to hot swap old fuel engine to the new electric engine, and which is without stopping the car. Here in this example, car is an Ethereum. Old fuel engine is nothing but the proof of work system, and new electric engine is nothing but the beacon chain or proof of stake system. Now, most probably on 15th of September, Ethereum will be migrating from proof of work to the proof of stake. Merge will happen in two steps. First, Bellatrix, that is consensus layer, and second, Paris, that is execution layer. Bellatrix upgrade, which already took place on 6th of September to prepare Ethereum proof of stake beacon chain, that is consensus layer, for the merge with Ethereum mainnet execution layer. Second, Paris upgrade will be triggered when terminal total difficulty, that is TTD, will reach to this particular number. This number represents total cumulative difficulty of all mined Ethereum blocks till date. This is more about technical side. I'm not going into details. If you want, I will create a detailed video on the same. You can find merge related details here in this URL. Please find this link in the description below. Once terminal total difficulty number reached, the network will merge current execution layer with the new proof of stake beacon chain, which allows validator who staked ETH to validate the transaction and add those transactions into the blockchain, and miners will be out of the system permanently. Why this merge is so important, or advantages of this merge? First, merge will cut down the energy usages by 99.95%. In this image, you can see the energy consumption comparison. Bitcoin requires more than a million watt hour energy per transaction, whereas Ethereum proof of work requires 84,000 watt hour, and after this merge, it will drastically reduce to only 35 watt hours per transaction. Second advantage is set the environment for next steps, which includes improving gas fees and transaction speed using sharding and rollups, and many more upgrades. Third advantage regarding investors. There is a criteria called ESG, environmental, social and governance, and because of proof of work, which is energy intensive mining, major institutional investor didn't invest in the ETH. After this merge, institutional investor also start considering investing in Ethereum. Now, what you need to do? As a ETH holder, you do not need to do anything to protect your funds. Be aware of all the scams which trying to take advantages of this transition. Do not share your private key or secret phrase to anyone else. Be relaxed and enjoy the show. Same ETH balance will be available on your wallet after the merge. Those who have ETH deposited on centralized exchanges, that is Coinbase or Binance, etc., you also don't need to take any action. These platforms might pause ETH and ERC20 related services, but after merge, you can access your funds. Some of you might be thinking about ETHPoW tokens. Let me first clarify the concept of fork to those who don't know what is a fork and what will be the ETHPoW tokens, and is it a free money or what. If Ethereum split between the two different networks, for example, currently we have Ethereum Classic and Ethereum Mainnet. A process of split is called fork. We will have another network called Ethereum PoW. Those who have balance on their wallet, which is on ETH mainnet, will automatically get same amount of ETH PoW fork token according to the snapshot of ETH balances. For centralized exchanges, Please check with your respective exchange how they are going to distribute those coins. Fork may or may not happen. Miners community will hard fork the network and continue mining the blocks, and in that case there will be ETHPoW tokens. Be careful while handling the ETHPoW tokens. There is a possibility of replay attack. What is replay attack? If you are taking a transaction on one blockchain, then the same transaction maliciously repeating on the other blockchain. For example, attacker taking someone's transaction from one blockchain and repeating on the other transaction and try to steal the funds. So if you receive ETHPoW tokens, then transfer that to new wallet or new account and then make a transaction. If you have any questions on ETHPoW tokens, please let me know in the comments. Now let's see the impact of merge on the Ethereum Classic, that is ETC. Ethereum Classic is a fork of Ethereum blockchain. In 2016, there was a hack of DAO project, and because of that, Ethereum split into Ethereum Classic and Ethereum. Ethereum Classic will continue to run on proof of work. There is no change in that. Since Ethereum will not support proof of work after the merge, miners who have expensive hardwares, some may go for new ETHPoW chain, some may go back to the Ethereum Classic or some other cryptocurrencies which support proof of work for the mining. Recently, the hash rate of Ethereum Classic blockchain hits all-time high. That means there are major mining activities observed on the Ethereum Classic. The reason behind this is miners are going back to the Ethereum Classic. It will reduce the risk of 51% attack of that chain which has observed in the past. There are some misconceptions regarding ETH merge. Let's see those one by one. Misconception 1. Merge will reduce gas price. Ethereum gas price will remain the same now. This upgrade set stage for the sharding and reduce gas price in the future. Second misconception. Transaction will be faster. There is no major changes in the transaction speed. There will be slight change, but that will be unnoticeable. Third misconception. Staked ETH can be withdrawn after the merge. Staking withdrawal is not yet enabled. It might take another 6 to 12 months of time to withdraw your staked ETH. Once Ethereum implement its Shanghai upgrade, it will allow up to 40,000 ETH daily withdrawal. Fourth misconception. Merge will have Ethereum downtime. Merge upgrade is designed with the zero downtime. Further upgrades after the merge. Surge, Verge, Purge and Splurge. These are the upcoming upgrades. Surge. Surge includes Shanghai upgrade which allow user to withdraw the staked ETH and sharding to improve the scalability. Verge. Verge will let users become the network validator without storing the lots of data, that is entire blockchain. This will the massive step towards decentralization because more validators is equal to more decentralized network. Then Purge. Purge is to remove the old network history. Then Splurge. Splurge is for fine tuning and further additional upgrades. If you have any questions or need any clarification of any point, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to answer those. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video.